Hello and welcome back to another video on my channel. In today's video I want to show you how I did these cool chalkboard spring nails. So I already have gone in, did all the prep work as usual, and now we're ready to go with black tie. And I'm taking my ombre brush and my number 6 gel polish brush, and I'm putting this on the tips. I'm just rolling it off with that gel brush and then gently fading it back into the nail. Now this doesn't need to be perfect because we're just throwing glitter on top. I just wanted the black as a base, so I'm not being too finicky about how perfectly not blended this is. Chalk Pop came out a few years ago in a spring collection, and I thought it'd be really good to go with these chalkboard nails because they have that nice dark background and then the lovely colors of spring. So I'm just doing an ombre on top of those nails that I did the black fade on already. Now taking Fuzion 5, I'm just gonna go ahead and sculpt these all out, do the filing, and then we'll be back to apply some Fuzion paint. So I went in already and put tack down as a base layer to make sure that this paint is going to not chip and adheres nicely to our finished filed nail. And then after, I'm taking matte top coat when we have the paint secured and just sealing that up. And then we're gonna give that a good cleanse. So this next part with the ink, I accidentally did not film. I thought I got it, but apparently not. So I'll explain it while I matte top coat these. So where you see the white ink there, all I had done was just apply it down and it stained and leached into the matte coat. So all I had to do was pretty much remove the majority of it. If you have any questions about that, please feel free to ask. I do have other videos showing ink work. So let's get into the stamping. This is CGS 65 and here's all the colors I'm using. And I'm just gonna go ahead and use a mix of colors. I did find that was really neat to use a combination of a solid image and just outlines because it gave that really chalky feel. And then in some I also did an outline and erased some of the image just by transferring it onto my little scraper. And I just popped it down onto the outline. You'll see here right away. But I felt like doing this just really did bring out that chalky feel. Now just taking this top coat, I am making the glitter nail shiny and then our flower nails matte. So here they are, super easy to do, very good for beginners or if you just don't like stamping or art in general. But thank you guys so much for popping in today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment if you have any questions, and we'll see you in next week's video. Bye!